Imagine a world where artificial intelligence controls our every move, where every thought, every action, every decision is manipulated by a network of machines. Intriguing, isn't it? Or perhaps, a bit unnerving. Welcome to the realm of AI, the omnipresent force that's reshaping our reality. Artificial intelligence, or AI as it's commonly known, is a feat of human ingenuity. It's a complex network of algorithms and code, designed to replicate human thought processes and learn from experience. It's in our phones, our cars, our homes, and even our workplaces. It's become such an integral part of our lives that we often fail to realize its pervasive presence. But what if this ever-present, ever-learning entity could do more than just help us find the quickest route to work or recommend a new movie? What if it could actually influence our thoughts, our beliefs, our actions? Sounds like something out of a science fiction movie, right? Well, here's where it gets interesting. There's a conspiracy theory that's been making the rounds on the internet. A theory that suggests AI is being used for mind control. Yes, you heard that right, mind control. The theory suggests that AI algorithms are being used to manipulate our thoughts, our decisions, even our perceptions of reality. Imagine it, a world where your every thought is not your own, where your every decision is dictated by an unseen entity, where your perception of reality is shaped by a machine. It's a chilling thought, isn't it? But is it just the product of an overactive imagination, a conspiracy theory spun out of fear and misunderstanding? Or is there some truth to it? Is this just a conspiracy theory, or is there more than meets the eye? It's time to delve into the enigma that is AI. Conspiracy theories have always found fertile ground on the internet, but with the advent of AI, they've reached unprecedented heights. Now let's unravel these threads. It's fascinating and somewhat alarming to see how AI algorithms have become the inadvertent amplifiers of conspiracy theories. The internet is a vast landscape ripe for the dissemination of all types of content. Among them, sensational and controversial narratives often gain the most traction. And here's where AI-driven platforms come into play. These platforms, designed to maximize user engagement, often promote content that elicits strong emotional responses. It's not about right or wrong, true or false. It's about what keeps users hooked. And what's more captivating than a good conspiracy theory, right? These narratives, filled with suspense and intrigue, often keep users coming back for more. But it doesn't stop there. AI algorithms being what they are, they learn from the user's behavior. If a user engages with a conspiracy theory, the AI takes note. It then uses this data to suggest more of the same, thereby creating a feedback loop. This loop, in turn, amplifies the reach of these conspiracy theories, pushing them further into the spotlight. AI doesn't distinguish between a harmless theory and a potentially harmful one. It simply follows the data, feeding the user's appetite for the sensational and the controversial. This can lead to the dissemination of misinformation, fueling distrust, fear, and division. Interestingly, the very same algorithms that amplify these theories can also be used to debunk them. But that's a topic for another time. For now, it's important to remember that AI is a tool, a powerful one at that. It's not inherently good or bad. It reflects our behavior, our interests, and yes, our obsessions. It's a mirror, revealing not only our fascination with conspiracy theories but also our susceptibility to them. In the labyrinth of AI and conspiracy theories, the line between fact and fiction becomes blurred. We must tread carefully, for the path is fraught with misinformation, half-truths, and unverified claims. Stay vigilant and always question what you read and hear. For in this digital age, discernment is our greatest ally. But let's not forget, AI is but a tool, a creation of human intelligence. It's easy to point fingers at artificial intelligence as the culprit behind the amplification of conspiracy theories. But remember, AI doesn't have a mind of its own. It doesn't harbor ill intentions or biases. It is a product of our own creation, a reflection of our data, our inputs, our algorithms. The truth is, AI is as unbiased as it gets. It's like a newborn baby, ready to learn and adapt based on the data it's fed. The issue here isn't AI itself, but rather the data we're feeding it. If we fill its database with biased information, it will inevitably produce biased results. It's akin to the old computer science adage, garbage in, garbage out. But it's not all doom and gloom. Let's flip the coin and look at the other side. AI, when used responsibly, can be a powerful tool to debunk conspiracy theories as well. It's not just amplifying these theories, it can also expose their fallacies. How, you ask? By analyzing patterns, scrutinizing data, and discerning the truth from the sea of misinformation. Imagine a deep learning model trained to detect and debunk false information. It can sift through an ocean of data, identify inconsistent patterns, and flag potential conspiracy theories. It can analyze the credibility of sources, cross-verify facts, and even predict the likelihood of a conspiracy theory being false. The potential of AI is immense, but it's a double-edged sword. It can either amplify conspiracy theories or debunk them. It can either breed mistrust or foster understanding. It all depends on how we use it, how we program it, and what data we feed it. As we navigate the labyrinth of the digital age, let's remember that AI is an extension of us, our tool, our creation. It's not inherently good or bad. It simply mirrors our actions, our biases, our truths, and our lies. The power of AI can be harnessed for good or ill. The choice lies with us. Just as AI can amplify conspiracy theories, it can also be our greatest ally in debunking them. Now that's a statement that might take you by surprise, but let's delve deeper and see how this is possible. Artificial intelligence, with its unyielding logic and relentless data crunching, can be a potent tool to dispel the smoke of conspiracy theories. You see, AI isn't swayed by emotions or biases. It simply looks at the cold, hard facts. And when it comes to debunking conspiracy theories, facts are our best friends. Take the case of the infamous moon landing hoax, a conspiracy theory that's been around for over half a century, claiming that the moon landing was a colossal hoax perpetrated by NASA. AI was instrumental in debunking this theory. By meticulously analyzing thousands of photos and videos from the Apollo missions, AI algorithms were able to confirm the authenticity of the moon landing, putting to rest one of the longest-running conspiracy theories in history. Or consider the case of the flat Earth theory. Despite centuries of scientific evidence to the contrary, there are still those who hold on to the belief that the Earth is flat. Here too, AI came to the rescue. By processing massive amounts of geographical and astronomical data, AI was able to provide incontrovertible evidence of the Earth's spherical shape. But it's not just about disproving wild theories. AI can also help us understand why these theories gain traction in the first place. By analyzing social media activity and online behavior, AI can identify patterns and trends that can explain why certain conspiracy theories spread while others fizzle out. So the next time you come across a wild online theory, remember this. AI isn't just the villain of the piece, it's also the detective. It's a tool that can be used to spread misinformation, but it can also be our staunchest ally in the pursuit of truth. Because as Sherlock Holmes once said, when you have eliminated the impossible, whatever remains, however improbable, must be the truth. And that's exactly what AI helps us do. So where does this leave us? Are we puppets in a grand AI scheme, or are we the puppeteers? These questions linger as we delve into the current state of artificial intelligence and its profound impact on our society. Artificial intelligence is no longer a novelty, it's a reality. AI is deeply enmeshed in our economy, driving efficiencies, predicting trends, and making data-driven decisions. From powering our digital assistants to curating our news feeds, from shaping our online shopping experiences to enabling autonomous vehicles, AI is everywhere. It's the unseen hand guiding us, shaping our perceptions and, to an extent, controlling our lives. The potential for future development is staggering. AI is projected to contribute $15 trillion to the global economy by 2035. That's a sum greater than the current GDP of China and India combined. It's a testament to the transformative power of AI and the seismic shift it's bringing about in our economic landscape. But with great power comes great responsibility. As AI continues to evolve, the need for ethical guidelines and regulations becomes more pressing. Who's responsible when an AI makes a mistake? How do we ensure fairness and transparency in AI-driven decision-making? How do we protect our privacy in an age of pervasive surveillance? These are the questions we must grapple with. AI is a double-edged sword. On one side, it holds the promise of unprecedented efficiency and productivity. On the other, it poses significant ethical challenges and risks amplifying online conspiracies. Ultimately, the verdict is clear. We are not mere puppets in a grand AI scheme. We are the puppeteers. It's up to us to guide AI's development, to implement safeguards, to ensure it serves our interests and not the other way around. As we stand on the brink of a new era, we must ask ourselves, are we controlling AI, or is AI controlling us? This question isn't just rhetorical, it's a call to action, a reminder of our responsibilities in an increasingly AI-driven world. As we plunge deeper into the digital age, the role of AI in our lives becomes increasingly significant. From the start of our journey today, we've explored the murky depths of how artificial intelligence interacts with the world of conspiracy theories. It's been a thrilling ride, hasn't it? We've seen how AI can be the perfect accomplice, amplifying these theories, giving them life and momentum in the vast virtual world. Like a digital whisper spreading across the internet, these theories can grow, mutate, and spiral into a tangled web of mysteries. The power of algorithms, with their ability to pinpoint our interests and feed us similar content, can act as a catalyst, fueling the fire of these theories. Yet, in the same breath, we've observed how AI can be the detective, the voice of reason amid the chaos. We've delved into the world of debunking, where artificial intelligence can be used to sift through the noise, to analyze, to question, and ultimately to reveal the truth. AI can help us discern facts from fiction, reality from illusion, and truth from deception. The duality of AI's role in conspiracy theories is a testament to its power and potential. It's a tool, an instrument that can be wielded for good or ill, depending on the hands that control it. But let's not forget, at the heart of this all, it's not the AI that creates or believes in these theories, it's us, human beings. AI is merely the mirror that reflects our curiosity, our fears, our hopes, and our beliefs. It's a tool that can help us navigate the complex digital landscape, but it's up to us to choose our path. As we move forward in this digital age, let's remember the role we play in shaping the narrative. The power of AI, like any other tool, is merely an extension of our own. In the end, the power of AI lies in our hands. We must use it wisely, for the truth is out there, waiting to be discovered.